This right here is La Union, a province in the Philippines located in Ilocos region in the islands of Luzon, a place with very fond memories. LU is a very special place in many ways. It was the first time I spent New Year's in the Philippines, first trip out of Metro Manila since I arrived back in 2019, first time visiting waterfalls, food, and amazing sunsets by the beach. And of course today, December 9th, 2022, first time surfing. So, it's been 2 years since I haven't been to LU. Now it's 6 a.m. and today we're going for a little trip. Alright, so we just arrived in LU, drove all the way from Manila, all the way here, first time, so that was pretty cool. And we just arrived at the place called Las Verdes. It's pretty much a new place. We're actually the only ones staying here. The place is right there. Also, I need to get a tan because I am extremely pale. I need to lay down in the sun, get some color on my skin, and hopefully I don't burn, because I burn pretty quickly. It's always nice to get out of the city every once in a while. Sometimes Manila can get too congested city, too many people. It always feels like you have to be busy all the time. So being in LU, I haven't been here in 2019. I get to chill a little bit, vlog, nothing too crazy, and just enjoy my day. And this part of my life right here is called waiting for everybody to get ready. First disappointment of the day, no Tapsilog. So what's the plan for the next 2 days? We're gonna chill, maybe do some surfing tomorrow morning, look at the sunset today for sure, and hopefully tomorrow we go see some waterfalls and go swim in the lake. It's nice to be back. I'm so close. So the day ends and another day starts. And what could not be better than a fresh slice of bacon? That actually is pretty good. Alright, so we just had a good swim. Almost drowned a couple of times. The waves here are so strong, especially here down to the left. The lifeguard told us not to go there because once the current catches you, you ain't coming back. Luckily, we're good. And now we are gonna go to the waterfalls, which is about an hour and a half away. Get to chill, listen to music, and enjoy the drive. Apparently it's uphill, so it's gonna be nice. We are going down this hill to the waterfalls, and the road is pretty steep. This is the easy part. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to come back because the hills are really steep. And yeah, interesting. Oh. So the road gets a little bit too steep here, so we'll go on the motorbike instead. All right, let's go. Okay, that's the road down. Whoa. Nice. So I think there's 2 waterfalls here. And it's very nice, it's a very chill place. You don't have to do much hiking. I'll put the directions in the description so you can see where it is exactly. Make sure you have a good car, strong enough car to get up here. Look at the jeepneys right here. My boy here at the top. Right, this is quite steep. Look at the view, guys. So nice. Finally here after 3.5 years, something like that. Pretty cool. So all this area is just stairs. Takes a little while to get down. Nice. Hello, hello. Nice stairs, my favorite. The water is gonna be so cold. Just had a little swim. Now we're gonna go to the main area of the place. Ouch, 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 ouch. Look at this, guys. You could actually jump from the top of that waterfall before, but I think there was an accident once, so they stopped doing it. But that would have been nice for a nice shot from there. Boom. I definitely recommend coming here. It's a great location. Make sure you bring some food, spare change, towel, and a lot of water, because it can get very hot. You don't want to get dehydrated. But the water is so refreshing as it is, so it's actually so nice. I go next. Okay, that is so dodgy. Guys, look at this. Nice. Here.
Wow.
Whoa, look at this view. Alright, so if we go this way, we have the waterfalls. Nice. Well, we're gonna go this way now.
Hey. Woo!
Alright, so we don't know if the car is actually gonna be able to get to these hills. Alright, let's go! These roads are so fishy. What did you say?
Thanks, man. Trooper.
Trooper. Thanks, man. Oh, come on, we can do this, we can do this.
Power, baby, power. Oh, okay, no, too much power. Okay, careful. Baby, I said.
Of driving. These are my hills. I was born and bred in these hills.
Born and bred in these hills.
This is how my mom drives in Ireland. This is how my mom drives. Like this. Whoa,
look at the view.
what a view. That's a view, guys. I'm telling you, LU is the place to be at. LU, the next Shargawa. That is a big claim. That is a big claim. Cancelled. We're in Fat Wave right now. We're gonna chill, maybe we can get some food. Alright, so we're gonna chill at the beach because the sun is not so strong anymore. And I'm gonna get some nice shots of the waves in slow-mo. I haven't got a chance to get any cool shots because it's so hot. So now it's perfect time. Last night we fell asleep and we missed the sunset, but look how nice it's looking. Look at this. So beautiful. Typical John, always late for everything. You have to wait for him for hours and hours and hours, right?
Yes.
Bro, you're late.
Is this a vlog again?
It was supposed to be 5 a.m. Alright, surfing time. They just put the boards on top of the trike. We're going somewhere else because the waves are too strong here. Is this the best bread in LU? Yeah, for sure.
Sure, look at the bakery.
Alright, this man told us to come to this place called Masa. Pretty nice place. Apparently they have good bread. I got here John making me experiment with food, taking me out of my comfort zone.
I have a big sweet tooth, so this is donuts with dulce de leche, Spanish latte, iced tea, only sweet, and then the salty is coming later.
I want you to rate it with full honesty.
Am I acting well?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I think it's the best burger here in La Union after surfing.
After surfing.
But this is the breakfast burger, so you can feel it's not like the really big one that you have for lunch or dinner, because you have like some scrambled eggs in it and the bacon. So that's why it's a breakfast burger.
So we're just leaving LU now. We did a bit of surfing first time in a lot of years. So now I'm driving back to Manila for like 6 hours. But I hope you guys liked this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.